Naples Auditorium was originally a multi-use space that also served as a gymnasium. During its early years, the auditorium did not have fixed seats installed on the open hardwood floors. For over 3 decades, the original auditorium hosted basketball games, proms, dances, and musicals. Once a dedicated gym was built in the late 1950s, fixed seats were added to the auditorium space. Generations of Naples students, faculty, and the community cheered on our basketball teams and enjoyed dozens of musical performances in the auditorium. Memories from decades of events and generations of Naples students have become an indelible part of over 90 years of auditorium history. As the decades progressed, over 9 decades of use, the auditorium began to show its age and was in need of rejuvenation. Thanks to the support from the Naples community, our auditorium has been fully renovated. During the spring of 2025, we welcome students, staff, and the community back to their renovated auditorium. Our new space features a professional-grade sound and lighting system, tiered seating which offers unobstructed views from any location, and safely accessible aisleways to accommodate all guests. Decorative architectural elements have been preserved, paying homage to the original look of the auditorium. Visitors may notice the familiar design elements and features. The class of 2025 will be the first to graduate from the new auditorium. This historical event will mark the beginning of a new tradition. Graduations in the safe, comfortable, welcoming space offered by our renovated auditorium. As we look forward to many decades of special memories and events in the new auditorium, we'd like to say thank you to the Naples community for your support to create this beautifully renovated space. And congratulations to our first class to graduate from the new auditorium, the class of 2025. You will forever be etched in Naples Central School District history.